expected for a ride from the start to the finish. That's an average time. This means the first rider, Sandolini Herrera, starts 10:20.
Of sport, writing new heights in this Rwanda, and this is how we.
Kama unaongea Kirasha, kama unaongea Kifaransa, naweza nikaongea kama ni machache sana.
Biborohereza gukora ingendo n'abambu babonetse cyane muri iri siganwa ry'uyu mwaka. Uyu mwaka kandi habonetsemo igihugu cya gatatu gitoya kurusha ibindi byose ku isi. Icyo ni igihugu cyitwa Nauru, kikaba gifite ubuso
Very, very important. No event like this without good partners. ECI, privilege. But still now, on number 48, Mohamed Viviana Stoa from Madagascar.
twakire umunyamadagascar Mohamed
He did an excellent. And we have the first national dance. The big. Thank you. time machine. Leonard coming closer, a little bit more than 12 Ks to the finish line.
So mukanya twese rero tuzahurira kuri iyi stade ya NBA Insurance. Hari ibyiciro byinshi bitandukanye uze gutsindira ibintu bitandukanye. Ikindi kandi ushobora gutsindira ubwishingizi umwaka wose bw'ubuntu hamwe na NBA Insurance. Amagambo kutishyura yo makumyabiri na gatatu ubundi bundi bufasha amasaha makumyabiri n'ane ku isi. Yamagare. So nimuje kureba tuza kurya shotgun wacu ubundi tugome twishimire umugoroba ariko tunasura standi zose z'abafatanyabikorwa yaba Bralirwa yaba Inyange yaba MUA Visit Rwanda Volkswagen n'abandi bagiye batandukanye baje kwifatanya nabo.
No sé cómo mamá.
And it looks like right behind him, a very, very fast guy. Canadian champion, Michael Shea Leonard. And he has still a good rhythm, and he goes for the best time. Here he is, the Canadian champion, Michael Shea Leonard. What a performance this afternoon compared to Vermeer. Position 4 for Estonia, Ryan Tarameh, 129 back. And 5th, Artem Neith with 144 on Leonard.
Amashuri kwakira uyu mukikandi na useseka ya ndi mukikanda amashi menshi cyane amashi Kigali. Uyu ni umubirigi Belgian number 23. He's none other than Ilan van Wilder. Ilan van Wilder, Belgian, 25 years of age, ranked number 4 in 2021 Belgian Championship. He crosses the finish line to Van Wilder. No kishingizi.
Yeah, we see another motorbike coming. There's a change on the hot seat. Jan van Wilder will take over from on the roads in Kiev. Will it be another sprint Canadian? We will know it soon. He is now on the parcours.
Usiganwa utwara amagare ariko mutaba muri ariko kubona uyu nguyu 1.9 kilometers
nta mudukuremo se basi nicyo kibazo
For sure, the number 1 will be in this passage of the race. Wolfville Hall, Calvé, cobblestones. That's what the Belgian riders are used to ride. And I'll focus here on the arrival, an Italian rider. Will be presented by Mrs. Nelly Mugesha.
Wegukanye shampiyona y'isi y'amagare mu gukomeza ko mu icyubahiro twese duhaguruke mu gihe haririmbwa indirimbo yubahiriza igihugu cye cy'Ububirigi.